Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and today in this video I will show you guys 3 ways by which you can stop giving access of photos on your iPhone. As you know, now every apps have access to your photos album. So let me show you how you can stop giving access to these apps. Before we start, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So let's go to the settings app, then in privacy tap on photos, and here you can see that mostly all of these apps have access of all your photos. I mean, there is no privacy left for you. So if you go into any of these apps, you will have these 3 options or 4 options like add photos only, selected photos, or all photos, or none. With all photos, Instagram can access all the photos in your iPhone. So just change it to selected photos, or you can also select none of your photos for some apps from here. And when you want to upload any photos, just change these settings from here and you are good to go. Now next we have over here is an iPhone feature that very few people know about, that is called hidden album in photos. So here in photos under settings app, you will get hidden album, and it says when enable the hidden album will appear in the albums tab. So just enable it. Now when you go to the photos app and scroll down to your albums, under utilities you will have this hidden option. So these are the photos which are hidden on my iPhone. So if you want to add any photos in the hidden album, select those photos, or if you want to hide multiple photos, you can do that too. Then after that, tap on share over here and scroll down, you will get hide option. Just tap on that and your photo has been hidden. But that's not all, because the hidden photos album is over here just like any other album. After you have added photos to the hidden album, go back to the settings and disable hidden album from here. And now if you go to the photos under utility, there is no hidden album left. And last, there is this Apple's plan to scan all your photos. It's not quite ready yet, but the Apple is saying it's going to, as Apple wants to protect children. So we don't know when that feature will come. But for now, what you need to know is that if iCloud photos is turned off, Apple can't scan your photos. So in settings app over here, you have photos under iCloud. Make sure that you have disabled this iCloud photos. So these are the 3 ways by which you can stop giving access all your photos to third-party apps and Apple itself. So let me know in the comment what do you think about these features. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and also follow me on Instagram to get quick iPhone updates. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.